If the gallery application keeps crashing in your Android device, then what you do is go to this settings icon here, go to this option apps, scroll down, and then you will look for gallery. Open this gallery, go to storage, select this option clear cache, and then clear data. Okay. So once you have cleared the cache files and data for this gallery application, what you do, go back, select this option force stop, and then again reopen the gallery application. The other thing that you can do is you can also update the software in your Android device if it is available. So what you do, go to settings again, scroll down and go to this software update and select this option download and install. So if there is any update available for the Android version, you will see it here and then you can update. Now once you have updated the software application in your Android device if available, then what you do is, if you remember that the crashing of gallery application started after you install a certain application, then what you do is you uninstall that application and check if this will fix the issue or not. Sometimes what happens is the application that you install, it might interfere with gallery application, due to which the gallery app crashes. So uninstall the latest application that you have installed and then check if this will fix the issue or not. And last thing that you can do is you can go to settings again, go to this apps, tap on these three dotted icons here, select this option reset app preferences. Now what happens is this will remove any customizations if you have done, such as if you have disabled some application, then it will be enabled again, and if you have restricted notifications for certain applications, the restrictions will be on again. The default applications will be again set back to the factory default. So these things happen if you reset app preferences, no application will be deleted. So do all of these things and check if the gallery application stops from crashing or not. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.